Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage the shit? Whatever. Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Have you ever heard of Derek, Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle? Have you ever heard of Regina Renee? Yeah. Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You know what I'm saying? You sweating, bloody, and you selling. Woo! That's you dedicated. Anyway, have you ever heard of Dave from Kentucky? The Tesla picker. He picking for a Tesla. You know what I'm saying? Well, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. I just want to make another What's Sold video. That's all I can really do right now. But I'm planning on taking y'all along with me this week sometime. You know, because I made a promise to Buffalo and Glass City that I was going to get out and do more. And I was going to list this. I done listed like 90 things since yesterday. But anyway, so I'm going to get out and do more. And I've been studying because I want to get off into, something else. But anyway, y'all, let's get to it. And first of all, I sold a DVD. This is Pirate Fairy, whatever that is. It sold for $9.40 plus $2 shipping and handling. I found this in a house I was cleaning out. I cleaned out a house and I found it. So this is free. So anyway, $9.40. Next up, I sold a little dinosaur that I found in this house too. It's a Triceratops. It's $10.30. That's how much it sold for. The buyer paid $3 shipping and handling. You'll see it on the screen because it's downstairs. I didn't get it before I came over here. I sold another Madden 25 anniversary. I sold another one. It's kind of damaged right here. So I'm gonna email the guy to see if he's a collector or if he's gonna play the game. And if he's a collector, then he might not want it. If he's just gonna play the game, then I'll go ahead and send it to him. But I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to him, let him know that it's a little damaged. $30.70, free shipping. Next up, y'all don't remember these. See that? That's a SpiderMan light. I got these probably about 15 years ago. I bought like 20 of them. They've been selling like one every 2 months or something like that. Anyway, this connects to your I think this connects to your Game Boy. No, I'm sorry. This connected to your PSP. To the PSP. Yeah, it connects to the PSP. So it's like a light. It lights the game up. So anyway, it sold for $12. $3.95 shipping and handling. I think I got 2 more of these left. Okay, next up. This is the last one, y'all. This is a sharpener. Chainsaw sharpener. This is my last one. I sold about 10 of these. This is the last one. You guys see I paid $1.50 for that. You see that? $1.50. I'm getting ready to tear this off though. This sold for $13.20. This is the last one. Okay, next up is I got it packed up already, getting ready to mail. Aerosmith CD. I don't know about no Aerosmith CD right here. It's sold for $5.50. I paid free shipping and handling. I ain't make that much off of it. It's media mail, but I got this for I paid $20 probably for about 200 CDs. And they've been paying off. You know, I probably sold about 20 of them, and then I'm paid for it because some of them CDs were PC games. Some of them had PC games in them too. Some of them sold for $20. So, you know, $5. I probably make $2 off of this. What the hell? You know, baggers can't be choosy. Okay, next up, a Hallmark, another Hallmark keepsake. This sold for $8.70. I paid 50 cents for this. $3 shipping and handling. I paid 50 cents. Okay, next up, Metroid, brand new Wii. I got about 10 of these. This is probably about the 5th one I done sold. I got 5 more. No, hold on a minute. Hold on, I got 2 more left. So I sold 8. This is the 8th one. I got 2 more left. This sold for $10.10, $2 shipping and handling. Metroid, Wii. Next up, this is a Carton Call cards heirloom collection. This is another Christmas ornament. This sold for $15.70. I paid $1 for this. $15.70. $3 shipping and handling. Next up, sold another tennis racket. This is a vintage Wilson staff, pro staff, Jack Kramer. Jack Kramer tennis racket. Wooden tennis racket. This sold for $39.30. $10 shipping and handling. If you are not familiar with these wood tennis rackets, some of them are worth a lot of money. You can get some of them worth $300 easy. I got one on there now for $160, a wooden one. See this? This is in really good condition. You got to make sure when you buy them, you got to make sure that they ain't bowed out. See how this one is straight? You got to make sure they're not bowed out because they do bow out, and you can't sell them like that. So this one is like probably good condition. It's not very good because it got these marks on it and stuff. But I'll say this is in good condition, even though I can clean it up and make it look better, you know. But this one sold for $39. I paid $2 for my tennis rackets. $2. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how I wrap these in a minute. If they got a cover on them, you'll see what I do. This got a cover on it, so I'm gonna show you how I wrap this. I don't give a damn. Anyway, next up, I know y'all probably don't remember these controllers. This is for PlayStation. You could drive cars and stuff with it. I bought these a long time ago at JCPenney outlet store. Man, this got to be damn near 17 years ago. I bought probably about 15 of them. I done sold mostly all of them. I think I got 4 of these left. And I got one Nintendo 64 left. But I done sold the hell out of them. But this, I think I got 4 of these left. Anyway, this sold for $18.60. $3 shipping and handling. I missed one, y'all. Okay, I see it. Last but not least, this is a 3M Scotch commercial adhesive tape gun. This sold for $30, $5 shipping and handling. I'll put a picture on the screen, y'all. Y'all see it. I wrapped it up already. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all how I wrap these tennis rackets. Especially if it's got a cover on it. I get a poly bag. See this poly bag? It'd probably be cheaper. I don't know if it's cheaper or not to send it in the way I used to send them in the boxes, in the priority boxes. But I think it's a waste of a box, especially when you got a cover. So I put this over that, right? And I tape it around. Just like that. And I put another piece on the bottom with a piece of foam. I put a piece of bubble wrap. And I look at this. Look at this. Look like it's brand new. This little mark. No, ain't no mark on it. It's a little mark right there. But other than that, it look like it haven't been used. Anyway, that's the way I do it. Wrap it around there if it's got a cover on it. If it don't have a cover on it, I put bubble wrap around it and I put it in one of those boxes. But if it's got a cover, I don't give a damn. This cover it's just like putting foam around it, putting bubble wrap around it. It's the same thing. It's covered. So that's what I do, y'all. I send it just like this because I don't care. Now, if that was the most expensive one, if that was that $165 one I got on there, I'll put a box of, I'll put it in everything. But since it's not, I'm just saying, I'm saving a little money on the poundage or whatever. I try to save money whenever I can. So that's what I'm doing. It's still going priority though. But it's going way less than what it would if I put it in a box. It probably ain't saving me that much money, and it probably look better in a box, like I used to do it, like until I bought these poly bags. But I try to put everything in poly bags. I don't care. I try to put, and another thing, I get the color ones. So how can I put it? When they going through the post office, they can see them. I used to put everything in these envelopes like this, right? But then I started buying the colorful ones, like the blue. I got the blue. So when it's going through the thing, they can see it. If they leave it behind, they can see it. You know what I mean? So they can't lose my stuff. If you lose this, you lose this, the color it is and stuff like that, then something wrong with you. You don't need that job. But anyway, y'all. This is Kevin from St. Louis. You know, I just want to tell y'all, be safe out there. Put on your mask. You know what I'm saying? And I keep telling y'all to list this stuff, but I need to list my stuff. You know what I mean? I've been selling like 12, 13 items a day. You know, I want to get up there and sell hundreds. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna try to put more time into it. Like every other day or every 3 days, I probably go to the thrift store. I want to do it for a time. That's what I want to do, but I can't do it right now. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep them coming. And I'm gonna start taking y'all through the thrift stores with me, even though I don't go that much. I'm gonna take y'all in there and show y'all what I do. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to tell y'all, you know, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, all that stuff. Watch the whole video. You know what I'm saying? Comment, whatever you want to do. But anyway, you know what time it is. I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.